Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a Honda Civic. It will be the same for the Accord, CRV, Pilot and many more. As you can see, it doesn't work, it doesn't lock or unlock the car. So what you're going to need is a new battery, and this is the number right here, okay, 1616, CR1616, and a small Phillips screwdriver, and then you need to remove that screw right there. You need to take it off, completely off, and you need to make sure that you don't have a ring or something on the key, because we'll be taking it apart. Alright guys, next thing you need to open on the phone first. Okay, and you just lift it up until it clicks open like that. And now we need to remove the middle part. That's where the battery is located. You need to pull it out. Okay, it comes out like that. And now there is two clips that you need to pull out. One here on this side, and there is one on this side. So you need to undo both, and the battery is located in that lid right here. And now you need to just pull it out and make sure that you put it the right way, okay, like that, and just press it down until it clicks, and then close the lid, make sure that everything lines up good, okay, like that. And all we need to do now, just install it on the key, and after that you need to place the cap on top of it, okay, just like that. You'll hear it clicking, and last step is to install the little screw. Okay guys, and this is the moment to see if it works or not. Okay, as you can see, it locks the car and it unlocks it, so it works perfect. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.